हाय एवरीवन। आज हम डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया में फंडामेंटल राइट्स क्या होता है, वो क्यों महत्वपूर्ण होता है हम सारे सिटीजन के लिए, और ये हमारा क्या क्या प्रोटेक्ट करता है, और कैसे हम ये फंडामेंटल राइट्स है बोल के सेफ महसूस करते हैं। हम डिस्कशन कर लेते हैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया का प्रीएम्बल, जो कि बहुत बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण है। उसमें बोला गया है, वी द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith of and worship, equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. Then we discuss, it has been passed on that day in our Constituency Assembly this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give this to ourselves, this Constitution. Some articles of the Constitution of India has started effective on the same day. These are Article 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 324, 366, 367, 379, 380, 388, 391, 392, and 393 and 394 of the Constitution of India force on 26 November 1949, and the remaining articles is effective from 26 January 1950. We celebrate Republic Day. As we know, the part 1 of the Constitution is union and its territory, from the article 1 to 4 is and the second part is citizenship from article 5 to 11. फंडामेंटल राइट्स पार्ट 3 में आता है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया। फंडामेंटल राइट्स इन जनरल आर्टिकल 12 से स्टार्ट होता है। आर्टिकल 12 इज डेफिनेशन, आर्टिकल 13 इज लॉ इनकंसिस्टेंट विथ और इन derogation of the fundamental rights. Then main fundamental right starts from article 14. Let's start article 14. First, rights of equality. Article 14 says equality before law. Article 15 says prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Article 16 says equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Article 17 says abolition of untouchability. Article 18 says abolition of title. Article 19 onwards, rights to freedom. Article 19 says protection of certain rights regarding freedom of speech. Article 20 says protection in respect of conviction for offense. Article 21 says protection of life and personal liberty. Article 21A says rights to education. Article 22 states that protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Then article 23 से स्टार्ट होता है राइट्स अगेंस्ट एक्सप्लॉयटेशन. आर्टिकल 23 states that rights of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Article 24 states that prohibition of employment of children in factories, etc. Then starts article to freedom of religious. Article 25 states freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religious. Article 26 states that freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 27 states that the freedom as to payment of taxes for promotion of any particular religious. Article 28 states that freedom as to attendance at religious instruction or religious worship in certain educational institution. Then comes to cultural and educational rights. That starts from Article 29, protection of interest of minorities. Then Article 30 states that rights of minorities to establish and administrator educational institution. Then Article 31, which has already been omitted, that was compulsory acquisition of a property. It is not in the constitution fundamental rights. Then Article 31A states that saving of law providing for acquisition of estates. It is Article 31B, violation of certain acts and regulation. Article 31C gives of laws giving effect to certain directive principles. Article 31D, saving of law in respect of anti-national activities, which has already been omitted. Rights to constitutional remedies, starting from Article 32. 32 states that remedies for enforcement of rights conferred by this part. Article 32A, constitutional validity of a state law, which has already been omitted. Article 32A is omitted. Article 33, power of parliament to modify the rights conferred by this part in their application to force, etc. Article 34, restriction on rights conferred by this part while material law is enforced in any area. Article 35 states that legislation to give effect to the provision of this act